Let's move on to the Vehicles tab. This is where you can view and edit your vehicles. You can also see details about the vehicles, like the version of the device installed, the serial number, the current driver if you're tracking driver identification, license plates, odometers, VIN numbers on your vehicles. You'll notice that these columns can be moved so that they are in the order that works best for you. You also have the option to sort your vehicle list by a variety of options. And you can hide columns or add columns as needed so that you can see the specific set of information that you need to see.